One of our great challenges is how do we make available the best of modern healthcare to every last person on Earth? A key part of the solution to that will be hiring, training, and equipping a global army of community health workers who go door to door to bring healthcare within reach of their neighbors in every village, in every town, in every corner of the world.
Speed, marker.
I'm Raj Panjabi. I'm a physician and the CEO of Last Mile Health. For all of human history, illness has been universal and access to healthcare has not. Half the world, 3.7 billion people, lack access to essential health services. And we face a massive shortage of health workers. If nothing more is done, by 2030, we will see that the world is short 18 million health workers just to meet basic needs. So we need a radically different approach. The future of global health requires us investing in local women and men who are the neighbors of the patients we want to serve, training them to be part of the team with nurses and doctors. I was just in Liberia, in the middle of the rainforest community called Bo. It's 12 hours away from the nearest hospital and the nearest clinic. For nearly an entire century, this community went without any access to healthcare. They were thought too hard to reach or too difficult to serve. Agnes, a 9th grade educated person, she had dropped out of school because her parents couldn't afford the school fees, was trained in 6 months by a nurse in the 30 essential services that her community needs. She was equipped with the medical equipment she needs. She was equipped with a smartphone. And Agnes and a dozen of her neighbors were the first ever health workers in that community. I think there's a world that we can imagine where every young girl and young boy and their families have access to decent, good medical care right at their doorstep. Our former president in Liberia, Madam Ellen Johnson Sirleaf, once said that if your dreams don't scare you, they're not big enough. But we nonetheless pursue them because the cause itself, the dream itself, is so important.